Triumph's Bobber Icons launch event tonight. Great crowd, great people, great atmosphere. But being able to introduce basically 4 brand new motorcycles to this crowd tonight, and everybody's loving it. And above everything else, just the energy. You can't get, look at, I'm even shaking. So being able to, it was the first time I got to ride a Speed Twin, and who thought I would do a 3-gear burnout with it? So I'm excited.
Greg Collins, General Manager at Triumph Brighton. I want to thank everybody that came out to the 2019 Icon Tour event. Man, what a freaking great time we had tonight. If you weren't here, you missed it, because we launched some great models that nobody in the country has seen before tonight. And one of the first opportunities to buy was right here, right now. Come see us, hey, anytime. Triumph Brighton is your Triumph hometown business.